Sometimes, one small moment can change a whole life. For Connie, it began with a simple gust of wind and a stranger. She's walking through the city, fighting the storm, when she bumps into a man on the street. Books fall. She stumbles, and he catches her before she hits the ground. His name, Paul. Calm, charming, almost too gentle for a day like this. She's flustered, trying to apologize, but the wind keeps pushing them closer. He notices she's hurt and invites her upstairs to clean up. It's innocent, just kindness, but the way they look at each other, you can feel something quietly waking up. And Connie? She doesn't know it yet. But this moment will shake everything she thought she understood about love, loyalty, and herself.